Hello and happy October. It is a stormy day. I should be at work, but I had a cancellation, so I thought it'd be a good time to show you. We're in our new house, and I thought I'd show you what our little art room looks like because we have an extra room in this house that we've kind of dedicated. My husband likes music. Well, I do too. But specifically likes playing guitar, use it for my artwork. So I thought I would show you. So let me flip the camera around so you can take a look. Okay, for starters, piano is out here in the hallway because frankly, we don't really have any other room for it, but piano is there. And then I know it's dark, it is because it's very stormy, but like this half of the room is kind of like the music half of the room. He's got all his guitars, and we still don't know what we're doing here. Like we might put some of this on the wall, like actually guitars on the wall. I said that weird, guitars on the wall. We have some pictures and things we don't know what we're doing with yet. These are pieces that I did that my husband decided to hang. And you can see we got microphones and kind of randomness, but that's just kind of what art becomes, right? So got a new sleeper sofa for this room, and so like that addition so that when we do have guests and we need that extra space, this will fold out. But I think it looks pretty good in here. I know there's a lot going on in here, but I feel like it works. And so, okay, here's the art half of the room. Big easel and kind of my miscellaneous frames and things that I am using and find. I most recently have been really liking these blocks, these wood, I don't know what you call them. Oh, I'm about to drop it. Hang on. Wood painting panels, I guess is what they are. Here, let me put them back. Okay. I had a couple of them done for an art show that I did at the local gallery, and I actually sold one. And all credit to, I got the idea from Karen Rice and her channel, Karen Rice Art. Loved the idea. It's kind of a multi-step process how it's on watercolor paper, but then you like put the painting onto the wood panel, and you have to like kind of apply a finish and all of that. But it turned out really well. And like I said, I sold one of them. I sold the one that has the longhorn on it, but like these still have the little tags on them from the show. So anyway, then we decided to put these long shelves up on the wall just to kind of prop up some artwork. This is still very much rough, but I have a favorite. So here's my desk. It's a mess, but isn't that what it's supposed to be? Supplies. My recent finds, there's a thrift store in town that I love, and I'm finding frame. Like a couple weeks ago, they had frames were part of their sale, and I'm always looking for frames that can be hung gallery wise. And this one like came from Hobby Lobby. It was originally like $60, and I got it for like just $4 maybe. So I'm always looking for ways I can recycle and repurpose frames because honestly, frames are one of the biggest expenses if you're as an artist. So I'm all about recycling, repurposing. And here are some larger wood panels that I got. And the reason I like these wood panels is because they give the look of a canvas art that you often do with acrylic paint, but instead, you know, like that look, acrylic, but the thicker gallery edge, if that makes sense. So I thought it was unique and it worked well. So I'm trying some different sizes. So I haven't done anything with that yet. And then another piece I'm working on that is acrylic. It's more abstract. Not done with that. So this is a lot of my books and art related paper, all of that stuff. And then lastly, a recent piece I did watercolor that this is going to go to a local hotel here in town that's doing 125th celebration. And they wanted Texas Hill Country inspired pieces. So this is what I did, the Longhorn. Honestly, I don't know if it's my favorite, but I wanted to do something with that genre, and it's really just going for a week of display. So there's that. So this is the artsy creativity section of the house. So hope you enjoyed this little mini tour.